In the vast, limitless expanse of space, a new frontier emerges. A frontier where innovation meets opportunity. And at the heart of this revolution is Plan S, Turkey's largest private enterprise in the space industry. Our mission is clear: to improve our planet with space technology and deliver innovative solutions. Since our inception, we've made remarkable strides. We launched Turkey's first commercial IoT communication and Earth observation satellites. Since our founding, we have successfully launched 21 satellites into space.
Connecta IoT 5, separation confirmed.
We built 4 ground stations and expanded our network to 8 ground stations. We have designed, manufactured, assembled, tested, and integrated all of our satellites, achieving up to 90% in-house production in our latest satellites. Our commitment to innovation is demonstrated by 15 granted patents, with nearly 30 more patent applications. Driven by determination, we are now preparing to launch the first satellite of the Observa constellation into space. By 2030, we aim to launch more than 100 satellites into orbit. To support this expansion and ensure global coverage, we also aim to add 10 new ground station locations to our network. Behind our success stands a dedicated team of 100 visionaries. As Plan S, we offer global satellite IoT connectivity solution and space services for real-world challenges. Our Connecta brand delivers reliable communication services, enabling seamless data transfer even in remote locations with limited or no existing infrastructure. In addition to our terminal devices, we offer tailored solutions through our IoT platform software to meet customers' specific needs. We deliver solutions for agriculture, maritime, energy, logistics, finance, and environment and climate by addressing the unique challenges each sector. With our space services approach, we solve complex global challenges using cutting-edge space technologies. Spacecraft design, satellite manufacturing, launch and commissioning services, satellite operations, capacity building. We provide end-to-end services tailored to meet our customers' specific needs. As Plan S, we're more than participants in the space revolution. We're pioneering the technologies that will shape tomorrow. Join us on this journey and help shape the future of our world from space.